Ladies and gentlemen, brand new rolling heritage video. My name is Stefan and we are gonna start a brand new series today. So if you guys love Volvos and if you guys love Volvo Amazon classic cars, then we are gonna make some very amazing content for you guys. We are actually gonna fix up my own Amazon, this blue one over here. We need to do some welding because this car has some rust. So over here in my very cold shop we have my Amazon, and this thing has its original paint as far as I know. The only thing I do recognize is the hood, because this has some clear coat on it, it seems, and these cars don't have clear coat from the factory, so they should be not clear coated. It's clear coat mixed with their normal paint, so this should actually buff out pretty much on some places. Except for this place and this spot and that spot and around there, and maybe also it might not buff out around here because my finger is now in the car. So yeah, we need to do something about that. So guys, if you make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and also ring that bell next to it, then you will get a notification every time I upload a video. But today we are gonna do some unbolting, and that is gonna be harder than I think, because this car is rusty on the front. The body of the car is like almost rust free except that window, and there has never ever been one weld on this car except from the factory. So it's a pretty clean thing, but we're gonna unbolt the front, but we're gonna make it work and make it nice again. So let's go. You can actually see the whole inside of the fender moving. You can actually hear it crunching. So yeah, I really hope I'm not gonna completely dust up my car in a second, because this is not very nice. This is not very nice.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you.
This is like optimal brake cooling. Brake cooling over there, brake cooling over here, and over here we have a very rusty Volvo Amazon light pot. Now, I was thinking I could fix this before taking it out, but I think this thing is not fixable. So yeah, I'm very happy I bought fiberglass ones. So yeah. Yeah guys, this is not good. This is really not good. I don't know what to say. Where did my car go? This thing is just completely gone. So guys, I'm actually just trying to see what's actually all rot. Well, of course, this complete beam needs to be replaced. I do think, as you can see, the inside is not that bad. So I really hope I can just get a nice replacement panel, or just let someone make one, because it is a bit tilted. But I think this job is not the hardest part of the whole thing. I think just getting those fenders indented and stuff is the big part. But yeah, this part is gonna go. Well, my fenders are all nice and hard. But I'm pretty scared for this part over here. As you can see, it's very rough, so let's just see with the chisel. No, we were already in there. I was really hoping this piece wasn't rusted out, but yeah, this is not a good. This is not a good thing. Oh, worse, even worse. Yeah, we're totally screwed. I think it's just a matter of just working in steps, and I think the first step to do is actually fix this part, so weld this part. I'm just, yeah, I can literally stick my complete chisel in there and it will stay up. But yes, I think it's just, I think the best choice is just to look at this just step by step, and I think the first step is to get this thing cleaned up. So over here we have that ridiculously rusted out fender beam, or how you want to call it. So this brace beam thingy will be replaced. I still don't know if it's going to be a complete replacement or not. I did find the panels. They are 107 euros a piece, so left and right, and I think the other side is also rather true. But what I did, I started cutting out this piece. So over here you have your door hinge brackets, and these are just to make the car stronger. And there are actually bolts in there, but I really have no idea what these bolts are actually doing. Because they are no purpose at all, these ones. But yeah, the thing I need to do now, I need to clean up these points, you see. So this one, the hinge bracket with those weird bolts. As you can see, oh, I know what it is. You can reach those from the inside. This is your door catcher that your door won't open and hit your fender. But yeah, so these parts are very important for your car. Of course, you can see still some rust over here, and actually this complete strip, you see, this one needs to come out, and we are gonna make a piece that will bend, and then also with a curved edge, and then we can weld that beam all the way down and attach it to that piece. So guys, this is the panel. It's ready for welding. Every hole is drilled, all the holes on the side are drilled, and I want this piece to be as original as possible because I just like doing it. I'm gonna put open the door so all the fumes can go out. Then I'm gonna take my welding helmet, take my gas masks, and then put that on, and then we're gonna weld. So I'm gonna put you guys over here because this is my phone stand, because my camera is empty. And you're now all held up by one zip tie. beautiful. So guys, it's a brand new day, and yesterday I finished the complete A-pillar welding thingy, and I gotta say it looks about 90% right. So I'm a very perfectionist. So yeah, I just want it to be factory, and you can't have that always. But for a home built, home fabricated panel, I can't complain. Over here we have her. I pushed her outside so I can clean up the mess a bit. And yeah, it's all in primer. Lower part. Yeah, this piece is completely new. That thing I'm not very happy with on some points is like this point. Then I grind it away a bit too much. But I think it looks as factory as can be, and I think this car, or at least this point of the car, will be ready for another, I think, 20 to 30 years. So I'm gonna hang the door back on my own. I hope that works. I hope I can do it on my own, and then that part is done. Then I'm gonna find out which beam I need for that piece, like the beam over there. And then we also need to find out how we are going to fix this part. Because yeah, I'm missing a bit, I think. So